Hello, thanks for dropping by. Today we'll show you how easily and cost efficiently you can produce an aluminium weather-resistant louver all by yourself. Of course, we'll provide you with the assembly plan. First of all, you have to cut the blades and frame parts to the required dimensions. The frames must be cut to miter correctly. Next, please cut to length and bend the mounting racks. The starting point of the racks is always the bottom edge of this nib. You can also get pre-bent mounting racks, which you merely have to cut to length. Combine the frame profiles with the corners and fasten these with the pre-assembled screws. Next, seal the lower corners. The weather groove now has to be fixed to the frame. This is a standard blade from which we cut off the long side prior to this step. The bird stop needs to be cut for mounting. Then this bird stop is fixed with blind rivets in the frame. We offer several mesh sizes and dimensions in galvanized steel and stainless steel. The mounting clips now need to be attached to the mounting racks. Using the Geiger assembly tool makes this very easy. The mounting racks then have to be placed in the frame and fixed with blind rivets. The blades can be positioned and clicked in very easily. You can get the profiles in natural aluminium colourless or anodized aluminium E6EV1. The aluminium weather-resistant louver is complete. To stabilize wider units, an additional mounting rack is used in the middle. When using this kind of blade support, you can manufacture units up to 5 meters long in one piece. This example shows a galvanized steel weather-resistant louver. Using a special technique, you can manufacture any height and always have a perfect look. The top blade needs to be cut on the total length and bent to fit, because it cannot be used as a complete profile. Click in this blade in the clips and fix it on the top frame profile. You'll find further variants of build-it-yourself kits for multi-blade dampers, weather-resistant louvers and flexible connectors on our website or on our YouTube channel. Our sales team will be happy to support and advise you. Feel free to contact us.
Kontaktieren Sie uns einfach.